Hello everyone, today we're going to be installing these blacked out sequential side markers for my Mitsubishi Lancer. You can see the ones I have on right now are these amber white ones. This is how the blacked out ones look. They come in this little package and a little covering. To take off these side markers, all you gotta do is pull the front back until you feel it come undone, and then you just pull the back out. It comes out like this. Once you have this piece out, you want to be very careful with it, because once you drop it back there, you won't be able to get it back. And now just take it off, use it to push in this tiny clip area, and it just comes right off. It's a little difficult to do with one hand. And this is what it's going to look like once you've disconnected it. So now all you want to do is connect the new side marker, and this is how it'll look like. Now once you have it on, you want to make sure it's on tightly so it doesn't come off, and all you want to do is slide the front end and push the back towards the vehicle so it locks in place. And this is what it looks like when they're fully on, and I'll show you how they look like when the car is turned on. So this is how they look like when you have your turn signals on. They look pretty nice. And I'll show you what they look like from a distance. They look pretty clean, pretty subtle. I like them. I would recommend these, they're pretty cool.